Good morning, everyone. It is 5 a.m. and my beans are ready. My friend has to go to work at 6 a.m., so I just messaged him to let him know that I'm fixing him a bowl of beans. So this is my first bag of pinto beans that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and this is my ham, smoked ham that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. So I believe I'm gonna go to the Dollar Tree and go bonkers buying all the beans they have. Coral is just moving in this place. She just doesn't know it. Oh, mmm, mmm, mmm. I love pinto beans. And just to think, I didn't know how to season them or anything, but sometime in the middle of the night after I put in the um the goya, I just put in a shake, and I went just like that, very, because you know those things can be powered with sodium. So I just took a little shake, so you have the flavor in there without that drop in the pot. Mmm, 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 mmm. I cannot wait. I'm not sure. I have some split peas. I'm not sure, but I believe I purchased these from the Dollar Tree too. I'm gonna have to work on these next. But I want to start using my crock pot. I want to start getting like more beans, and I'm gonna still get canned food because I'm not gonna risk, just in case the store have an outage or whatever, or shortage. But I want to be able to put some of these tests on my stove, my counter. Mm, 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 mm. And just to think, I used ham instead of like one of them bones with smoke on it. This fits my budget better. Mm. I don't know how to do the math on these beans, but let me tell you, I believe I'm guesstimating this meal costs about $1.25. mm. 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 I would like to say thank you for all of those who have been subscribing to my channel. If you knew me, I would say a few years back, we don't want to date myself. I don't want to say like I'm 55 when I'm really 10, but I didn't want to cook. I didn't want to have nothing to do with the stove. I didn't want to do the crock pot, none of that. Now when I go to the store, I'm looking for the words organic, although I do believe to some extent organic is not organic. Anyway, I still look for it. I am very happy with the changes inside my body. But this morning I woke up and my face is swollen. Um, my face is swollen right here, but it started to go down. But the one thing that I am truly, truly, truly amazed about is because about 2 years ago, I was tested, went through the whole 9 yards, and they said I had cancer right here. Now, right here, where you see this knot, I had a big thing. It was sitting right here, and I didn't notice it. One of my YouTube viewers noticed it, and that was in my other channel. She had noticed it, and I went to the doctor and everything, but emotionally, I was done with living. I kid you not. I was absolutely done. So I said, when they gave me the surgery date, I believe it's right here in this bag too. When they gave me the surgery date, my daughter said she was going to take me to the hospital. I said, thank you. I knew I was going to go to the doctor. My videos won't wait. So I said I'm not going under the knife again. I refused. Emotionally, I wasn't willing to do any of those things. But I did say to myself, I'm going to make sure my regimen with ashwagandha, sea moss, and all of that becomes a steady schedule. So instead of taking it in the daytime, I started taking it before I went to bed. and that is what I believe contributed to my healing. But I was chatting on chat, whatever whatever, you know what I'm talking about. And I was going into all of the things, whatever, and it basically said there is no proof of ashwagandha and all those other things, but they are testing it because in the cancer world there has been some progress when it comes to herbals. Would you mind stopping, please? So I am thankful. But this morning when I woke up and I went to feel my neck, is basically gone. I gotta really dig around to find it. So I am so thankful. But I woke up this morning and I have no pain in my fingers, limbs, whatever. I started my laundry, got my second load sitting right here. I took out some of these in my drawers, and I already washed all of my spoons. I already washed all my knives and washed inside the drawer. And now this drawer here has little things. I'm gonna wait till the wash is finished. I'm gonna wash all of these, the basket, and put it back inside the drawer. Sometimes it looks like there's nothing to be done, but there is something to be done. And in that format is sanitizing, so that's what I like to do. Anyway, this girl is about to go see if my friend messaged me, because I'm gonna have to go downstairs to give him his beans. And have a wonderful day. Thank you for chiming in. And Miss T, thank you so much. I watched your video again with the protein, and I'm gonna link your next video into this one if I can remember when I go to edit it. But I don't know what you have on your screen with the Christmas and all that other stuff. I really like that. But have a good day. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye bye.